So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today is the first time that I'm going to create a beat on the FL Studio on my Windows. So this morning I had just started arranging the instruments, adding only two instruments, that is drum and the key piano. So this is the first time on my Windows laptop, on my laptop. How it will be on my Android phone, I'm little bit like pro, but on my laptop I'm little bit noob because I'm using the first time today. So I'm going to play for you this short. Now that complete this beat. I'm still not, because the drum kick and all is still not okay.